Welcome to aminacademy.com. In limits, continuity and differentiability, let us discuss about algebraic limits by using standard result. Look at this example. If n is an element of Q, then limit x power n minus a power n over x minus a equal n into x power n minus 1. Let us prove this basic rule. Here, proof, we'll write that one limit x tends a x power n minus a power n over x minus a. Here, let us do the positive limit, that is limit x tends a positive is x power n minus a power n by x minus a itself, and therefore limit, even negative limit also it's available, which is equal limit x right side is left side is a minus and x power n minus a power n over x minus a. Therefore, first let us see this one, limit f of x and x tends a of x power n minus a power n over x minus a exist. First we understood it is exist. Now let us continue. Now limit, we introduce small increment, that is h tends 0. So a have small increment of h and a power n over a x is a plus h minus a, which gives limit h tends 0. Here we let x is a plus h. If x tends a, then you can say then h tends 0. Here first, this we can take first a power n out. After that you can say instead of a power n out here 1 plus h over a power n minus 1. Minus 1, since we get a power n out, over here a plus h minus a, cut a and a cut, h will be there. Now by binomial expansion, we can expand 1 plus h over a whole power n, like that. Here a power n becomes out of limit because it won't affect, because there is no h on that. Limit h tends 0. Here first, here 1 plus n into h by a plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial into h squared by a square plus goes on increasing and it goes n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 over 3 factorial. We can expand on more, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 over 3 factorial and into h cube over a cube, like it continue up to the powers of h and a is increasing, and finally we can keep that minus 1 over h. This completely over h we are keeping here. Now we substituting the limits, that is h tends 0. Here we get a power n limit before that here 1 and minus 1 cut here, so we before substituting the limit we will write simplification of these things. Like a power n limit h tends 0, it have also h take out, means we get h out, means we have n over a plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial. H gone out, it becomes h instead of h squared, it over h by a square plus n into n minus 1 n minus 2 over 3 factorial into h cube. H out is h squared over a cube, like it's increasing the powers of h. Now over h is already there. Now cut this h and this h. Now in denominator there is no h. Now we'll apply the limit. Still after that we write without h. Now a power n limit h tends 0 n by a plus n into n minus 1 into 2 factorial h by a square plus n into n minus 1 n minus 2 over 3 factorial h square by a cube by increasing. Now applying the limit of h tends 0, we get equal n already a power n is out into n over a. Further, everywhere except n by a, other terms are having h, so it becomes zeros. Therefore we get here a power n into over a is a power n minus 1, but n is there, n into a power n minus 1. Therefore we proved here limit x tends a x power n minus a power n over x minus a is equal to n into a power n minus 1. This is the basic rule for the differentiation of algebraic expressions. Now let us do an example regarding this formula. Evaluate limit x tends 9 of x power 3 by 2 minus 27 over x minus 9. Here, suppose we substitute put the value of x equal to 9. We are using the limits extends 9, that is here 9 power 3 by 2 minus 27 over 9 minus 9, down is 0. Here 9 power 3 by 2 is 3 power 3. Since 9 we can write as 3 square into 3 by 2 minus 27, which is equal, this 2 and 2 cut, 3 power 3 is 27 minus 27 over 0, 0 by 0. It's indeterminate form. Indeterminate form, so it's not allowed. So we will give the rule of that limit, that is limit x tends 9 x power 3 by 2 minus 9 3 by 2, because 27 is expressed as 9 power 3 by 2 over x minus 9. So it resembles that rule of limit x tends a x power n minus a power n over x minus a. Regarding this rule, we can write the answer n into a power n x power n minus 1, n minus 1. Regarding this value is here a is 9, so formula is n is here 3 by 2 into x is here n into, that is put x first, n minus 1, 3 by 2 minus 1. For this we have x tends 9, so we put 9 here instead of x. So we have the answer 3 by 2 into 9. 3 by 2 is 9. 3 by 2 minus 1 is 9 power half, which is equal 3 by 2. 9 power half is 3. So answer is 9 by 2. We have done.